Hey guys, welcome back to another video. What have I learned from blowing accounts? I'm a forex trader. I've been trading for almost like 5 years. Yeah, but I started taking trading serious in just like 3 years, and I've blown a couple of accounts. Yeah, as a forex trader, both small and big accounts. And this is what I've learned, because right now, if you go on my Telegram, you see how consistent I am in my trading. You see how consistently profitable I am in trading. But before I got to that level, I've been through the thick and thins. I've been through the pitfalls of forex trading. I've blown a couple of accounts. I've been through a lot of problems because of forex trading. So here's what I've learned from blowing accounts. The first thing I've learned is humility. I've learned to be humble. I went on demo, did some courses, was mentored and all those kind of things. I started like testing my strategies. They went well. I said, okay, let's try it on live account. Of course, a couple of months I was profitable and I was very good, and also I was making a lot of money from forex trading. But a time came where, as it always comes, your strategy just goes against you, and what you think was right happens not to be right at that particular instant. Let's say what you think was right, it doesn't place out, and because of greed, I won't say greed, I'll say because of ego, you don't want to accept the fact that you're wrong. You just want to like hope that you're right, and because you keep hoping that you're right, the market goes against you. Of course, you put your stop loss. You say, no, I can't lose this money from the market, right? I can't lose $1,000 from the market. No, I can't lose this kind of money from the market because it's too much of money. So you move your stop loss, hoping that at the next support area, the market may reverse and may, get you to break even, and you can close your market. But at the end of the day, it just keeps going down. It just keeps going down. It just keeps going down until your account goes to zero, and you're so messed up, so emotionally charged, and you're just like up and down. You don't even know what to do, but you're blowing your account. So it happens to all of us, and most of us have been through that same scenario, and a lot of people have been through that same scenario. They have shared their experiences with me, and that's just it. It's part of forex trading. You have to blow your accounts for you to be able to learn how to become profitable in forex trading. But you have to learn how to become disciplined first before you become profitable, in the sense that when you put your stop loss, let it be your stop loss. It doesn't matter if it hits your stop loss and it goes back to the other direction. It doesn't really matter. What matters is that let your stop loss be your stop loss, and that's just it. Because if you lose one trade, the next trade can become profitable. I've learned that particular aspect of always putting my stop loss. I've learned not to always assume that I'm right. I may be good in forex trading. It doesn't mean that I'm always right. Sometimes I'll have to lose money in the market, and that's why daily I lose money from the market, because I'm not always right. I've learned also to focus on a few pairs, because when you're trading many pairs, you may be, let's say, psychologically imbalanced to be able to know the direction and movement of particular pairs in the market. It has helped me also to reduce my, let's say, my free time, because I used to be so free where I was doing a lot of things. Now I used to take that time to come back and backtest some things, come back and read again, master the strategy again, try to like perfect myself in that particular strategy. Even though I use that same strategy, I will still lose some money in the market, because forex market, right, you have to have a very, very strict plan. If your stop loss is 20 pips, it should be 20 pips. If your stop loss is 30 pips, it should be 30 pips. It doesn't matter if you hit your stop loss and come back to your take profit. That doesn't matter. What matters is your entry and your exit. If you have a very good entry at the right time, let's say you're entering at the support area or you're entering at the swing high, if it's a good entry, you're always going to make profits. But if it's a bad entry, of course, you may hit your stop loss and it may goes back to the other direction. That's how trading is. So I've learned a lot of things about discipline in trading, but the most important thing I've learned from blowing an account is just that I shouldn't assume the fact that I'm always right. I should assume the fact that I'll make profits, I'll make losses. I should manage my profits and I should manage my losses, in the sense that I should trail my profits and I should cut my losses. That's just it. So what have you learned from blowing accounts? Drop it down in the comment section. With that said, join us on Telegram. Thanks for watching. Bye.